How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about a question that I get around cyber liability insurance, and that is, does my business need to pay the cyber extortion if we get hacked? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. A recent report from Marsh, who is the world's largest insurance broker, recently dove into this cyber extortion issue. They analyzed over 1,800 claims from their clients here in the US and Canada, and they did have some interesting findings. So even though the number of cyber extortion events from that 1,800 jumped to 282, only 23% actually had the ransom paid. That's a huge shift from just 2 years ago in 2021, when 63% of companies ended up paying the ransom. So now 77% are refusing to pay the ransom. So no, I would say it is not a given that a ransom gets paid in a cyber extortion situation. But there is something important to note. As fewer amounts of companies have actually paid, the cost of the actual ransom event has gone up a ton. From this report in 2023, the median ransom payment was $6.5 million. This is compared to $335,000 only a year ago. And the ransom demands are getting much bigger as well. The median demand was $20 million versus just $1.4 million in 2022. Now, I do want to preface this and say many of Marsh's clients are very large because of how big their brokerage is. So many of the companies in this report could be larger corporations, Fortune 500 companies, multi-billion-dollar organizations. So that is an important thing to know about this report and a reason why some of those numbers might be so high. So what does this mean for your business? First is that having a strong cyber liability insurance policy in place is crucial for your business. And it is not just about the ransom itself, but a good policy and working with a good company can help you with the entire process end to end, from helping with the initial IT support, negotiating the actual ransom, and then of course the entire legal process that comes with an event like this. It gives you the resources to lean on their experts that they have access to, either internally or externally on contract, which can make a huge difference when you are going through an event like this. And it's also important to note that not all attacks are the same. Ransomware is getting much more sophisticated from the social engineering aspect of things and how hackers are actually getting into businesses' systems. And then the fact that criminals are often using double extortion techniques nowadays, where they not only lock your company's systems, but also threaten to release sensitive data if the ransom isn't paid. This obviously raises the stakes in these scenarios, but also highlights the importance of having a good, strong cyber policy in place. Another important thing to note with cyber liability policies is that they can also extend coverage to third parties. So your clients, vendors, business partners, if any of their data is impacted in events like this. So you're not only protecting your business, but your partners and clients as well. And if you're in a heavily regulated industry like healthcare or finance, where you could have to potentially navigate regulatory requirements and fines if your systems do get hacked, cyber insurance can help with that entire process as well. Overall, having the proper cyber insurance policy in place can be an extremely important asset for your business to have, so that when a cyber event, when a ransomware attack, cyber extortion event does occur, paying a ransom is not your only option. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance program, with your cyber insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.